Christmas. There's something truly magical about this time of the year, isn't there? It's a season that speaks to the heart, a time that feels almost otherworldly. The world slows down, even if just a little, as if to remind us to soak in the beauty of life and the people we hold dear. Think about it. The street starts to glow with twinkling lights, reds, greens, and gold paints every corner, turning ordinary places into extraordinary. And then there's the music. Oh, the music. Familiar carols that fill the air, reminding us of childhood memories, of times when life felt simple, safe, and warm. Christmas brings with it a rhythm, a kind of anticipation. For some, it starts the moment the first decoration go up, the tree, tall and proud, draped with ornaments that hold memories of years gone by. Maybe there's that one ornament you made as a child, or the one you bought on a special trip. Each piece tells a story, doesn't it? It's not just a tree. It's a collection of moments, a celebration of life. And let's not forget the smells of Christmas, the aroma of cinnamon and nutmeg in the kitchen, cookies baking in the oven, or roast slowly cooking, filling the home with a sense of comfort and joy. Maybe it's the scent of fresh pine from the tree, or the sweet warmth of a mug of hot cocoa topped with fluffy marshmallows. It's a sensory experience that wraps us in nostalgia and invites us to linger just a little longer. For many of us, Christmas is a time of traditions. Some are grand and full of excitement, like late night caroling or waking up at the crack of dawn to unwrap presents. Others are quieter, more personal, like writing heartfelt cards, watching a favorite Christmas movie under a blanket, or lighting a candle and saying a prayer of thanks. But no matter how it's celebrated, there is a universal feeling of togetherness that binds us all. Families come together, some traveling across cities, even countries, just to be with loved ones. There is laughter echoing in the air, shared meals, and conversations that feel like home. For some, it's about giving, the thrill of finding that perfect gift, wrapping it with care, and watching someone's face light up as they open it. It's not about the size or price of the gift, is it? It's about the thought, the love, and joy it brings. And for others, Christmas is about moments of reflection. It's a time to pause, to look back on the year, the highs, the lows, the lessons, and the blessings. Maybe you will find yourself sitting quietly by the fire, watching the flames dance, and feeling an immense gratitude for life's simple joys. Christmas is a time of joy and celebration, and yet, even in those quieter moments, there is a kind of peace. A reminder that love never truly fades, that memories are a gift we carry with us always. Have you taken a walk during Christmas? Maybe at night, when the world feels still and the snow blankets everything in quiet beauty. There's something magical about those moments too. the crisp air, the sound of footsteps crunching in the snow, and the sight of homes lit up, each window telling its own story. It's as if the world itself is celebrating. And then there is the giving spirit of the season. Christmas has a way of reminding us to look beyond ourselves, to notice those in need, to offer a helping hand, to spread kindness in ways big and small. It's in the warmth of a shared meal, a kind word to a stranger, or a thoughtful act that brings light to someone else's day. For those who celebrate, the story of Christmas itself is a powerful one, a story of hope, love, and redemption. It's a reminder of the beauty of humility, of light shining in the darkest of times, and of a promise that joy is never far away. And yet, Christmas isn't confined to a single day. It's a season, yes, but it's also a feeling, one that lingers if we let it. It's in the laughter of a child, the embrace of a friend, the kindness of a stranger. It's in the moments when we choose to love, to forgive, and to cherish what matters the most. So whether your Christmas is filled with laughter and gatherings, or a quiet moment of reflection, know this: the season is a gift, a gentle reminder that love is the greatest treasure, that joy is found in the simplest of things, and that peace is something we carry with us long after the decorations come down. May your Christmas be filled with love, light, and a little bit of magic. Merry Christmas.